So I'm here in Buffalo, New York, playing a few holiday concerts with my music group. So this is something that I do on the side, as well as my Forex trading business and my day trading. So I'm a pretty busy guy, but I enjoy and passionate about all these things. But today I want to talk about how to become a long-term profitable Forex trader, and also like why is it so difficult to achieve that. So I am now a long-term profitable Forex trader. I've been profitable for just over 2 years, and a long-term is considered over 12 months. And that is really unfortunate reality in this business because of how difficult it is to retain a profitable track record. The majority of people that you're following or you've seen on YouTube or other places don't really show a track record because it's difficult to hold one. It's difficult to show one, to have one publicly because of the emotional strain that has on somebody. So that's something that I'm going to be touching on in this video, and hopefully you guys can really take to heart the things that I'm saying here, because if I would have known these things back 14 years ago, I think I would have sped up my process of becoming a long-term profitable trader. So the first topic I want to talk to you guys about is purchased Forex products. So, I purchased tens of thousands of dollars worth of trading products and teachers and tutors and systems and algorithms, just to realize that none of them worked. I would make a little bit of profit for a while and then it would just tank. And I even hired some tutors and teachers, and all those failed too. I'm not using any of the things that I purchased, tens of thousands of dollars worth of things that I purchased for trading, and none of them are being used now. Is because they're all rehashed. They're all recycled things, old ideas. And I realized that now that over these years that it's just the same things being regurgitated by these individuals. And this includes all of the people that have the hundreds of thousands of followers on YouTube as well. They're all using the same support and resistance, supply and demand zones, and putting their stop losses at this swing high and that swing high and that swing low. And this is just the same repeated action over and over again. What people don't realize is that the banks and institutions, the ones that drive the price, the market, are exploiting these retail traders that are all following each other. And because they're really predictable. So the idea is to think outside the box, think differently. And how to do this? Well, this goes into my next topic, and that is trading stats. Find people that have reliable and responsible, good, consistent trading stats. And finding them these stats that are verified either through MyFX book or somewhere else. So you can follow these individuals. This is what I do. Even as a trader that is profitable and develops his own trading tools and algorithms, I still follow those that are profiting because I want to continue to be ahead of the game. And following those that are having success is what you should be doing in this market. And so those that are profitable for 5 years, that's a really huge achievement. And those are the people that I'm eyeing and looking at to help refine and develop my trading system. So do your research. Find those individuals that have a track record for longer than 6 to 12 months. Because if you're following people or trying to find inspiration from individuals that don't have any track record, don't have a track record longer than 6 months, at least 6 months, trust me, that's what you should be looking for. And you should be looking at profit in the range of under 10% per month. If they're too high, then it's likely unsustainable and it's going to result in high losses or blown accounts. Look for conservative gains and look for a track record. You guys know that I have my own business. I develop algorithms and trading tools to combat the Forex market. But I am also very realistic in how I promote these things. I use these products and these tools myself in my own trading. And I feel like if they don't work for myself, then what's the point of selling something or giving it out to somebody? So these are the two topics that I wish that I knew. I wish I would have known where to find good, reliable track records. And these can be done like Signal Start, MyFX book, eToro, Zulu Trade, finding these kinds of individuals that have reliable trading stats. And these are the people that you should be influenced by, that you should be following. Not these people on YouTube or other places that talk about backtesting and my trading experience, the psychological stuff. That stuff's all important. It's good stuff. But you should be looking for those people that have consistent stats, because that is where the gold is. Because if they have that in hand and they can control it and they are constantly taking profit from the market, they can teach that to you. They can teach you how to become a profitable, long-term profitable trader if they are one themselves. And if they have an algorithm that's able to do that. And if you're looking to purchase an algorithm or a system or trading system, you need to see that algorithm's backtesting history. You need to see how long it's been successful for. I don't care if it has a live trading history or forward trading history of 1 year or 2 years. That's impressive. Trust me, that's really impressive. But how long has that strategy been working for in backtest history? Is it just now happening to work right now? And then what about the future? We have no idea. So watching the backtest history, trying to get as much data as possible, and then a long forward test data as well. So just pull as much information as possible from a successful trader or a successful algorithm or a system, or even a service as well. The longer, the better. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much what I wanted to cover in this video. Thanks for watching and your support.